So in my previous video, I talked about the design of the OnePlus 12 since we now have the renders of the phone. And those renders confirmed the periscope camera on the OnePlus 12. I also talked about the specifications that we got to know back in May this year. But now we have a new leak that reveals the specifications, and these specifications are a bit different than what we got to know a few months ago. These specifications were shared by OnLeaks, the same source that shared the renders recently. So it is quite possible that the final specifications are the ones that this new leak reveals. So starting with the specifications, the OnePlus 12 has a huge 5400 mAh battery, which is the largest ever battery in a OnePlus flagship. The OnePlus 11 this year already had a big battery at 5000 mAh, but with an even bigger battery and also a more efficient chipset, the battery life should be pretty solid on the OnePlus 12. As for the charging speed, the wired charging is still the same at 100 watt, but OnePlus 12 is coming with wireless charging support as well, which the OnePlus 11 does not have. The OnePlus 12 supports up to 50 watt wireless charging, the same as the OnePlus 10 Pro last year. Under the hood, the OnePlus 12 is powered by the next flagship SoC by Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. There is LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. So far, all that we know about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is that it will have a weird core configuration of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. This chipset will not have 32-bit support, and the GPU is going to be the Adreno 750. The cameras are going to be one of the highlights of the OnePlus 12 because it is the first OnePlus flagship to have a periscope camera. The primary camera is reportedly the same as OnePlus 11, that is the 50 megapixel IMX890 with OIS. The ultra-wide camera has a 50 megapixel sensor as well, but the details of this sensor are not yet known. Finally, there is the periscope camera with a 64 megapixel sensor. When we hear about a periscope camera, we think of 5x or maybe 10x optical zoom, but it looks like that won't be the case with the OnePlus 12. As per this new leak, the OnePlus 12 supports 3x optical zoom, which is interesting because the OnePlus 10 Pro last year had a normal telephoto camera offering a higher 3.3x optical zoom. It is also possible that OnePlus is using the same periscope camera that the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus has. And finally, the OnePlus 12 will launch with Oxygen OS 14 based on Android 14. The launch is expected to take place in December in Chinese market and in January next year in the global market. And well, that is all about the OnePlus 12. What do you think of the specifications? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.